Hi, it's Matisyahu Mac. Today we're going to make guacamole, which is just a wonderful follow-up to our fresh homemade salsa recipe that we just did. So let's get started. We're going to make some wonderful, authentic guacamole. Okay guys, as always, we're going to start out with our ingredients list. This is very simple. You can do this at home with just these ingredients. Fresh avocado, lime, salt, and some of the fresh homemade salsa that we learned how to make on our last video. With these ingredients, you're going to make the best guacamole. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our avocado, and we want to take out the inside from the peel and put it in a bowl. Here is an easy way to take out the seeds. If you just gently let the knife sink into the thing, give it a little twist, and you can take out your seed just like that. Let's go ahead and take this out as well. Now your avocados are going to make or break your guacamole. You have to select ripe, fresh avocados. There is a trick to selecting avocados at the grocery store. You can't always tell by the feel on the outside. And I'm going to make a video showing how to properly select your avocados if you don't always have the best success selecting avocados for yourself at the grocery store. Again, a little twist, and there we can pop out our seed. And we're just going to take everything out. We're going to place everything in the bowl just like that. Next, we're going to take some salt. We're going to add it. Seems like a lot of salt, but actually the avocado, because of the oils, it absorbs a lot of the salt and you don't realize, but you need to put a little extra salt. Next, we're going to take some lime. We're going to squeeze this in over our avocado. And now we're going to take a fork and we're just going to gently mash the avocado without making it too mushy. Some people try to make guacamole almost like a mayonnaise or something, and that's actually that's improper. You should not do that. I'm going to put that to the side. You want to integrate the lime juice, the salt, and the avocado together. Just like that, to where you still have some chunks in there. It's not completely mashed. It's not like a mayonnaise. And lastly, we want to put in a little bit of salsa for flavor. Now, some people make guacamole with big chunky pieces of tomato and onions. That kind of guacamole does not go so well for me. I prefer traditional guacamole with a little bit of salsa added for flavor, and that actually makes the best guacamole. And we will just clean this off the sides, put it back in our bowl, and there we have a wonderful homemade guacamole. Let's plate this and get ready to eat. And there we have it. Homemade fresh guacamole. 4 ingredients: avocados, sea salt, lime, and fresh salsa. This is a wonderful recipe. You can make this at home. Enjoy it, share it with your friends and family. And one last thing, I'm also having some fresh salsa with this. Don't let anybody tell you, if you're having chips and guacamole, that you can't simultaneously have chips and salsa. They go wonderfully together, and you should enjoy them. Thank you.